Out here fishing, still catching, not fishing. I'm actually catching, which is wild. On my kayak that I built, it's my handle. There's the motor. She's screaming at me because I'm at the top by her nest. Let me get out of here. Don't want to disturb her. Done did though, but moving on. Not fishing your tree because I don't want to bother you. She's beautiful though. There's her hubby. He's sitting up there on the top of the tree. Here she comes. But yeah, sitting out here, going to the next spot to go catch some more fish. It's gonna be awesome. And watching the sunset while I'm at it. Pulling up on the next spot right here. I'm gonna leave y'all on here. I'm gonna see if I can catch a fish with y'all on here. Because that's how it's been. And just about every time I put my pole in the water, not even 10 minutes after I put it in the water, I got a fish on. So let's see if my luck still pans out over here. This is where I first started. Alright, it's gonna be weird, but as soon as I catch a fish, I'll put it back in the water. Watch me and the sunset behind me. Alright, just put it in the water. Come on, take it. You know you want it. I'm already getting nibbles. It's me dropping the anchor because I want to sit here for a minute. Oh yes, y'all get to see the monster. Oh yeah, y'all see that pop up out the water, boy. Shit, boy, yeah, pop up out the water again. Yeah, don't drop the phone in the water. And that shit is the shit. Look at that thing, boy. Yeah. Oh, come on, this is not easy. 2 hands, but I'm gonna do it. Oh yeah, there it is. Come on, get in the boat. Fuck it, I don't want to lose it. Excuse my language, but I gotta get this. Yeah. Not even 10 minutes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another one. Beauty. Beauty. And the sun has setted. Look at that sunset. Nice fish. Woohoo! Let you go back, grow, tell your friends to come bite. Yeah, will you nibble my finger? Woohoo! Yeah. It's been like that this whole time I've been out here. It's been wonderful. It's beautiful. Yeah.